Many users have asked if we can take screenshots of view once messages on WhatsApp. In today's video, we will answer this question. And yes, we can definitely take screenshots of view once messages on WhatsApp. Here are the top 2 methods. Method 1. Take a photo with another phone. You can use another phone to take a photo of the WhatsApp message. The only downside to this method is that the image won't be as clear as a screenshot. Another way to view those messages or images is to use method 2. Use a WhatsApp monitoring tool. MoniMaster for WhatsApp is the best tool for monitoring all WhatsApp messages on someone's phone device. With it, you can take screenshots of view once WhatsApp messages, including chats, status, call history, pictures, videos, and more. What's even better is that it's a 100% hidden monitoring tool, so the target person won't know that you've taken the screenshot. It only requires 4 simple steps to finish taking screenshots on someone's WhatsApp. Step 1. Create an account on the MoniMaster website and choose a premium plan. Step 2. Download MoniMaster for WhatsApp on the target phone. Simply install the app on the target device you need and follow the instructions to log in with the account you just created. Step 3. Take screenshots of view once messages on WhatsApp. Now you can take screenshots of all the WhatsApp messages on the target device. That's MoniMaster for WhatsApp, a brilliant WhatsApp monitoring tool. Okay, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and comment, and you can also get a YouTube exclusive coupon in the video description.